Hey everybody, this is Aiden, and today we're going to walk through the Seamless API Designer. So the first thing you need to know how to do is how to navigate all the different components of your API. So we've loaded GitHub's API into here, and if we go here to the top left and click on this Explore API button, you'll see a list of all the paths in the API and all the concepts in the API. Now we've made these searchable. So let's say I want to find the functionality in their API for getting a list of contributors on a specific repo. Well, I can just type in contributors, and just like that, we've been able to find the specific path that we're probably looking for in this API. So I'll click here, and looks like there's a single method for get that has an accept header parameter, a query parameter for a non. Looks like this is a Boolean, but they represent it as one or true. And there's a 200 response and a 403 response. So that's how we would look up a contributor. And there's also concepts. These are sort of like the schemas in Swagger. And you can come down here and see some of GitHub's defined concepts for things like commits. So here's a commit. It has an author. There are stats. There's this commit object. Looks like this maps a little more cleanly onto the actual Git protocol. Parents, files, SHA hash, and the committer, which is a user. So basically, there's a page for every single path and a page for every single concept within the API. So as you get around, how do you actually edit the API when you want to? We've got two modes. There's this documentation mode, which we're in now, and that optimizes the experience for the user so that things are very easy to read and sort of learn about the API. In design mode, throughout the entire editor, you'll see that basically text becomes inputs, buttons appear to add new parameters, and you're able to basically just edit anything you want to right here in line. So we made it really simple to sort of switch between these two modes, make changes to the API, and create really good documentation at the same time. So that's just a high level of how to use the editor. There's more information on the docs at seamlessapis.com. And if you need any help, just click here. It's an intercom window, and you can start a conversation with me. That's my mug down there, and we'll get back to you hopefully within an hour. Thank you very much.